Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're gonna take a look at Roomsketcher, Floorplanner, and Sketchup to see which one is the best. I have here a list with different pros and cons, so we're gonna take a look at them. So we're gonna start with Roomsketcher, which is best for easy to use floor plans and home design. They offer drag and drop interface, good 2D and 3D floor plans and home visualization, ideal for homeowners, real estate and small projects. The downside, limited advanced 3D modeling feature. Now we have a Floorplanner, which is best for quick floor plans with basic 3D views, very simple browser based, great for quick layouts and presentations, and they have affordable free tier available. The downside, not for detailed 3D modeling or complex designs. The last one is Sketchup, best for professional 3D modeling and detailed designs, powerful 3D modeling tool used by architects, designers, and builders. Steeper learning curve but very versatile. The downside, more complex and resource heavy. So these are the pros and cons for each one of them. I really hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.